What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can make your own AI software. Well, we have two options or two possibilities. First thing is you want to make your own AI model from the scratch. In that process, you have to wait for at least 8 years because you need to have a machine learning or you need to have a machine learning model which will learn. You just have to train your model for like 4, 5, 6 years. How many years you train it, the better it gets. So you just have to make your own machine learning model and then train it for like 6 to 7 years until it gets good enough to match these tools which we have in the current time. However, there is another thing called as APIs. If you are creating a software, you can implement or embed AIs which are already made like DALI, OpenAI, or like software called as ChatGPT. You can use these or embed this into your software by having their API. Suppose you want to embed ChatGPT, so I'm just going to search for ChatGPT AI API. So I'm just going to search for that, and you will be able to see that ChatGPT and the APIs are actually available, but you might have to make a purchase for the latest ones, and you might be able to get the free versions of their old versions. So you just have to get the APIs, and if you're a coder, you will definitely know how to embed the APIs. If you don't know, you just have to go to Google, and you'll be able to search how to embed the APIs into your software. You'll be able to do this. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.